Hello makers, let's make some clover earrings for St. Patty's Day on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. All right, let's start with some supplies. I'm gonna need a mold, some earring hardware, some tools, some gold flakes and resin, some pressed clovers, some UV resin, and my gloves, and a heat gun to help remove bubbles. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna take some resin and put it in our mold. All right, we're gonna spread that resin around with the heat gun, also using my silicone tool. Now it's time to add the clover right to the middle of my earring. It's important to cover the clover completely with resin. And then I'm going to take some gold flakes and put it around my little clover. This is a very wealthy clover. And I'm going to hit it with UV light. And now it's all solid. I'm going to remove it from my mold. It is very pretty and I am very happy with it. But we need to make it smooth because there's that bevel thing again. So let's add some resin and then we're going to spread it around with a heat gun and my silicone tools. This time I'm going to use a torch to get the bubbles out and then UV. Okay, adding hardware is always a learning experience for me. And I decided I wanted 2 jump rings because I like my earrings to face forward. So you'll notice I do that a lot with my earrings. I will put 2 jump rings in because I just like it better. And here's our final product. We've got our beautiful clover earrings with gold flakes inside of them. I thought about putting some gold around the edges, but I don't know, I just like the transparency. And then I'm gonna put them on my card for my final look, and they look beautiful. These actually turned out better than I thought. I got these clovers myself from outside and pressed them, and we're done. I actually made another video before this one on how to make a 4-leaf clover pendant to go with these beautiful earrings. So check that out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.